Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. Alright, so for students, for this lesson, it's the first video of a series about how to solve equations. Now these will be fairly low-level equations, in other words, single variable equations. We won't be getting into any linear relationships or any functions and exponents at that level. This is more of a pre-algebra look, heading into Algebra 1. And we're going to be looking at, as you can see on my list, the single-step equations. That's this video right now. And then we'll get into some two-step and multi-step, and then word problem applications as you solve equations. At the end of every video series, I always have a self-quiz, so look for that. All right, let's get started. All right, for this first set of problems, I'll do the first two with you, and then I want you to try the rest on paper. This process of solving equations in one step basically is three steps in a procedure. First, you find the variable. In number one, there's the x. Then you say, what's going on with the variable? What are they doing to it? And notice that you're adding 12 to it. And then the final most important question is, what's the opposite operation? Okay, we're always going backwards, opposite operation. So if we're adding 12 to the x, we have to subtract 12. And of course, we have to do that on both sides. Now I want you, when you do these, I want you to line them up vertically so that you remember why you're doing that. This is a 0 result here, and so the x drops down, and then we have, it's actually an addition problem, -1 plus -12. We're combining those negatives. It's -13. All right, number two, where's the variable? Right there, m. What are they doing to it? They're subtracting 11. What's the opposite operation? Adding 11. Always do the opposite. And you can see why, because if we do it vertically, you notice that subtract 11 and add 11, those are opposite operations. So that's why we cross it out. And basically you get 0 also with the m on that side. And now it's -8 and +11. Watch your signs there. It'd be a +3. All right, you pause the video and try the rest. All right, so let's do this all the way through. We're number 3, we are adding 9 to each side. In number 4, we are adding 1 to each side. In number 5, if the 20 is being added, the opposite would be to subtract it. Subtract 20 on both sides. And number 6, if you're adding 8, then we need to subtract 8. Opposite operations. And again, I recommend that you cross those parts out that result in 0, and that's why they disappear. Let's check the answers. Here we go. I hope you did okay. If you missed some of these, it's probably because of the signs and the adding the positives and negatives or subtracting. That's usually kind of a little problem spot, but I hope that you did well. Now in the next video, we're going to actually look at multiplication and division, single step. Thanks for watching. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard,